Good morning, all of you. In previous classes, we have learned about the simple natural phenomena in the easy way. I taught you in the easy way so that you can grasp all the things very clearly. Okay? Now it's time to do the exercises. We will take filling the blanks first. The two motions of earth are, can anybody tell me? Yes, it is, one is rotation and another is revolution. The earth completes one rotation in about, डे एंड नाइट कितनी देर में बनते हैं बेटा? 24 आवर्स. 24 आवर्स. 24 घंटे, 12 घंटे दिन रहता है समर्स में. द डेज आर लॉन्गर एंड द नाइट्स आर शॉर्टर. इन विंटर्स द डेज आर शॉर्टर एंड द नाइट्स आर लॉन्गर. सो इन दिस वे the earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours. The time period of revolution of earth is a solar year. This is called solar year. Average weather condition at a place is known as climate. I taught you na. What is climate? It is the average weather condition. I told you about the climate of UP. The climate of UP is extreme type of climate. The place located on and near South Pole receives, I told you, there are two poles, North Pole and South Pole, receive direct and more sunlight. I will give it to you in notes, okay? I am just discussing. Now the next exercise is exercise C. Underline the correct option. The shape of earth is like an egg or an orange. कैसी होती है shape earth की? It's like an orange. Tick, orange. The rotation revolution of the earth brings about day and night. What brings about day and night? Rotation or revolution? Yes, you all are right. It's rotation. The condition of an atmosphere is known as weather or climate. It is weather. The part of the earth that is tilted towards the sun will have summer season. Winter season, the part of the earth that is tilted away from the sun will experience the winter season. Now write T for true and F for false. The earth rotates on its axis from east to west. Answer me. The earth rotates on its axis from east to west. No, it's false. It spins on the axis from west to east. The earth completes one revolution in 365, 1/4 days. True. In winter, the days are shorter and nights are longer. True. Rainbow appears in the sky after rain. True. So, I hope you all have done these exercises in the book. Okay, I will give you additional exercises, okay, in the form of notes, and I will give you answers to these questions in the form of notes. That completes your chapter, which is chapter number 5, Simple Natural Phenomena. Okay students, kids, understood? I hope you all understood the chapter very well. If any query, you can ask me. Okay? You can send your questions to your class teacher and she will send it to me and I will answer and satisfy your query. Okay? Thank you.